Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install the Hik-Connect application to Android TV without using Play Store, neither without using the download application. If you find the video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, on my Android TV, I do not have Play Store, but I have my App Store. And we all know that the App Store is always limited on your Android TV. The only applications you find there are the applications your manufacturer wants you to have. So here I also don't have the Play Store, and I don't want to use downloader to install this application. So what do you do is what I'm about to show you. Now in this case, the Android TV is always going to come with a browser. It can be this browser, it can be another browser, but since it's an Android TV, it's always going to come with a browser. So what you have to do is just go ahead and launch your inbuilt browser. Now you can use your browser, you can use another browser that you install to your Android TV. It's still the same. This works with any browser. So I'm going to use TV Pro because I love it and it's optimized for Android TV. So you can use any other browser, the process is still the same. All you have to do is to launch your browser. If you want to use TV Pro, in the description there is a video for TV Pro, how to install your Android TV. But if you're using any other browser, good and fine. The process is still the same. Once you launch your browser, all you have to do is come over to your search box and type in the name of the application you want to install, which in this case is the Hik-Connect application. So let me just go ahead and type it down. So here is the name of the application we want to install, Hik-Connect. Now the secret of installing applications with your browser is this. Once you type in the name of the application, all you have to do is just go ahead and add in APK, and that's just it. This is how to download any application with your browser. Just type in the name of the application correctly and add APK. They can go ahead and download the APK, then install the applications to your Android TV if your Android TV will support it. And as you can see on my Android TV, first of all, the first option is going to lead us to the Google Play version, and in most cases this might work. This option might work. But as a matter of fact, let's just try it. This option might work, but I don't say it's going to work in every circumstance, because in some TVs it is limited, but some TVs it actually works. So you're going to see options like this. You see here, and apparently it works. So you can just go ahead and click on the install button and application install to your Android TV. What if you don't have this option? But if you don't have that option, all you have to do is just simply go to the other options. Let's go back. So if I go back, the option that is going to work without any issues is this option. So if all you have to do is come to this option that says Hik-Connect for Android TV from up to down. So up to down is trusted source for application for Android. So just go back to this option here, click download. Here's the application once more. Click download. Once you click download, it's going to load to another option, and then come down here and say click download again. Once you click download here now, the application is going to start downloading to your Android TV. And if you're using downloader like me, you'll be able to see the application being downloaded to your Android TV. So here's it here. Here's the Hik-Connect. Once it's done downloading, all you have to do is just to click on it once, and the installation process is going to start. Once it's installed, you can go ahead and use the application if your Android TV supports it. If your Android TV doesn't support the application, then even if you download it, it is not going to work on your Android TV. So make sure that your system, Android TV system, supports this application before you start downloading it. Like, subscribe, and share this video if you found the video helpful.